at a very low speed with the same 600 grit abrasive buffing wheel, I gently go over the face of the armature to make sure it's smooth. Also the shaft, on the bottom of the shaft there were some grooves there, so I just want to remove them. Switching to 120 grit, I remove the rust to the sides of the armature. The steel sides of the armature are part of the magnetic circuit of the motor. Rust on the steel doesn't conduct magnetism the same way as clean steel does. Heavy rusts introduce air gaps, uneven surfaces, which can slightly distort or weaken the magnetic field around the armature. That can lead to reduced torque or uneven pulling power, increased vibration or motor noise, less efficient current flow through the motor, extra heat buildup during operation. That's why it's a good thing to remove the rust on the sides of the armature. Once the rust is removed, the magnetic field can flow more evenly, which helps the motor run smoother and stronger.